Yo, you guys, what is up? Oh, there we go. Yo, you guys, what is up? And today I got some Pokemon booster packs I got from a Target thing. But first, I went to Toys R Us and I got some free Pokemon cards. I got these ones, so I'm going to unbox them right now and show you them. On the backs of each of them, I have this cardstock thing. But here's the card itself. It's kind of like a hollow card. The next one is Clefairy. There we go. All right. Then we have Clefairy. Yeah, Clefairy. Okay. So there's Malphite, Clefairy. Okay. Set those aside. And then for the Target pack, we got some pretty good stuff in here. We got a Black Star promo Druddigon Hollow. Very neat card. And then we have a Darkrai Black Star promo Hollow. So very cool cards. Now, there are 6 packs, 4 Phantom Forces, a Furious Fist, and a Primal Clash. I am not expecting anything good. Alright, I am not suspecting anything good out of these, so I'm going to go oldest to newest, so I'm going to start off with the Furious Fist. Oh, jeez. Okay. 3 from the back. I don't know where to put these. I just set them right there. Alright. 3 from the back. Okay. Got Mienfoo, Shelmet, Scorpy, Trapinch, Clefairy, Training Center, Hitmonlee, Choke, Reverse Jaw Fossil, and the Breloom regular rare. Alright, now on to Phantom Forces. Okay, we got, oh, I didn't even do 3 from the back. We've got Yanma, Spearow, Helioptile, Murkrow, Venonat, Girafarig, Fearow, Dimension Valley, Reverse Roggenrola, and a Honchkrow regular rare. So, I just suspected pretty terrible pulls. At least in Hollow or an Ultra Rare would make me happy. Okay. Sewaddle, Chansey, I think. Yeah, it's He has a lot of health for a common card. Alright. Gumi, Kingler, Bronzor, Luminion, Tierno, Boldor, a Reverse Litwick, and a Spiritomb non-hollow. I'm freaking out because I'm not getting anything good. Okay. Calm down. Keep your sanity with you. Okay. Fletchling, Roggenrola, Pumpkaboo, Joltik, Carablast, Manectric Spearling, Girafarig, Fearow, Mightyena Reverse. Oh, that is a rare. And a Hollow Goodra, okay. Okay, I'll take it. Okay. Well, it's probably the only hollow we're getting. I said probably. Miracles. Frillish, Roggenroll, Skarmory, Alabama, Joltik, Tierno, Sliggoo, Trickcoin, a Reverse Litleo, and Neon Mega regular rare. Oh, come on. It all comes back. All comes down to this Primal Clash pack. Okay. Alright, there we go. Clamperl, Staryu, Seal, Volbeat, Rhyhorn. I don't know why I just paused. Sorry. Bouffant, Rough Seas, Nidorina, Nidoqueen. For some reason, it's an uncommon and a rare. Why? And a regular rare Excadrill. That was terrible. Just terrible. Okay. Well, I really didn't get anything good. I'm very disappointed. But I got those 2 really cool promos, and then I got a Goodra Hollow, which Goodra's a pretty good Pokemon. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, come on. Peace out.